Hi everyone, welcome back to Prakasham Tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about quadrature phase shift keying. So what is quadrature phase shift keying? So quadrature phase shift keying is a form of phase shift keying in which two bits are modulated at once, selecting one four possible carrier phase shifts, and it is selecting one of four possible carrier phase shifts. So that four carrier phase shifts are 0 degree phase shift, 90-degree phase shift, 180-degree phase shift, and 270-degree phase shift. So whereas in binary phase shift keying, it uses two phase shifts, two possible carrier two possible carrier phase shifts that are 0 degree phase shift and 180 degree phase shift in binary phase shift key. So now here we will discuss about quadrature phase shift keying. In quadrature phase shift keying, it uses four possible carrier phase shifts. So that are 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degree. QPSK allows the signal to carry twice as much information as ordinary PSK using the same bandwidth. QPSK is used for satellite transmission of MPEG video, cable modems, video conferencing, cellular mobile systems, and other forms of digital communication over an RF carrier. And these are the applications of the QPSK. Each symbol or message contains two bits. Hence, the symbol duration Ts is equal to 2 into TB. So now here in quadrature phase shift keying, two bits are modulated at once. Two bits and one bit duration is TB. Now where the two bits are modulated at once, so because of that, the symbol duration is TB plus TB is equal to TB. Okay. These symbols are transmitted by transmitting the same carrier at four different phase shifts. So that four different phase shifts are shown in this table and figure. So now where the two bits are translated at a time. And what are the two bits? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 are transmitted. So 0, 0 is transmitted and its carrier phase shift is 0 degrees, and bit 0, 1 is transmitted. The symbol 0, 1 is transmitted. The carrier phase shift is 90 degrees and the symbol 1, 0 is transmitted and the carrier phase shift is 180 degrees. And similarly 1, 1 is transmitted. The carrier phase shift is 270 degrees. And this is the phase shift in quadrature phase shift keying. And this is the constellation diagram of quadrature phase shift keying. And this is 0, 0 symbol, 0, 1 symbol, 1, 0, 1, 1 symbol. And this is the carrier signal. Okay, carrier signal. Now here two bits are translated at a time. So modulating value from the two bits are 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So 0, 0 bit is transmitted. The carrier phase shift is 0 degree. It starts from 0 degree phase shift. And 1, 0. So 1, 0 its phase shift is 180 degrees. Okay. So this is starting from 180 degree phase shift. And 0, 1. So 0, 1 and its phase shift carrier phase shift is 90 degrees. So starting from 90 degree phase shift. And 1, 1 and its carrier phase shift is 270 degrees and it starts from 270 degree phase shift. And this is the quadrature phase shift keying modulated signal, resultant modulated quadrature phase shift keying. Since there are four shifts are involved, now here there are four shifts are involved. So this system is called as quadrature PSK. So in this figure, in this waveform, there are four shifts involved. This system is called as quadrature PSK. So this quadrature PSK is also called as 4 PSK system or quaternary phase shift keying or quadriphase phase shift keying. The quadrature phase shift keying sometimes is also called as 4 PSK system or quaternary PSK system or quadriphase PSK system. If symbol 00 is to be transmitted, then we have to transmit a carrier at 0 degree phase shift, and if symbol 01 is to be transmitted, then the same carrier is transmitted with a phase shift of 90 degree, and similarly the symbol 10 and 11 are transmitted, then the same carrier is transmitted with a phase shift of 180 degree phase shift and 270 degree phase shift respectively. Okay, and that is the one representation of the quadrature phase shift keying. The alternate representation of the quadrature phase shift keying symbols has been represented in table 2 and figure 2. So the alternative representation, this is the alternate representation of the quadrature phase shift keying. So that alternate phase shift keying representation is, so in this figure 1 0, that is symbol 1, and the symbol 2 0 0, symbol 3 is 0 1, and symbol 4 is 1 1. So this is alternate representation of the quadrature phase shift keying. So now where the symbol 10 mean, that is pi by 4 radians carrier phase shift, and the symbol 00 mean and its carrier phase shift is 3 pi by 4 radians, and the symbol 01 and its carrier phase shift is 5 pi by 4 radians, and the symbol 11 and its carrier phase shift is 7 pi by 4 radians phase shift. So this is the alternative representation of quadrature phase shift keying. So this is the introduction to the quadrature phase shift keying.